Hello, student of standard 9. As you know, the numericals are very, very important for physics. And in the previous video, I have had explained about the different formulae and the concept. And on the application of those concepts, you are going to apply in this. How you are going to apply in this, but two questions which I am going to discuss. First, you see the question, and after pausing the video, you try of its own, and then if any kind of difficulty, then you see how to solve. Question number 1. A car falls off a ledge. Ledge means ऊंची जगह, पहाड़ी वाड़ी ऐसे, and drops to a ground in 0.5 second. Take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. You have to find what is its speed on striking the ground. And number 2, what is its average speed during the 0.5 second, means half second. Number 3, how high is the ledge from the ground? This is the question. Car is falling. Car is falling. So what are the different things? Falling means initial velocity 0. What is the condition given? You need not write any language. G already given 10 meter per second square. As I told you, you have to apply the uniformly accelerated motion equations of that which we have discussed, right? And what else are given? These two things are given, and your acceleration is also, acceleration means acceleration due to gravity is also given. Now, as the car is falling downwards, so g is always positive, as I told you, right? Now, first point, you have to find the final speed. जब कार नीचे जाके स्ट्राइक कर रही है, you have to find the final speed, initial given. So v is equal to u plus gt. U is 0, so 0 plus g is given 10 into t, half. That is your, that cancel 5 meter per second. First part is over. Second part. What is the second part is your, what is the, its average speed during the during its motion, means during the 0.5 second. Average speed. एवरेज स्पीड हम लोग कब निकालते हैं? जब दो तरह का वेलोसिटी है. देन आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ वेलोसिटी, u एंड v. देन डिवाइड बाय 2. u इज 0. फाइनल जस्ट नाउ वी हैव फाइंड आउट बाय 2, दैट इज योर 2.5 मीटर. दैट इज 2.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड एवरेज स्पीड. v इज इक्वल टू दिस, ये आया था v, एवरेज स्पीड हो गया u प्लस v बाई 2, 0.5 by 2, 2.5 meter per second. Object is uniformly accelerated, that's why we are using it. The second part is also over, this one. Third part, how high? Third part, how high is the ledge from the ground? कितना ऊपर है, मीन्स कितना डिस्टेंस है. डिस्टेंस वाला फॉर्मूला, डिस्प्लेसमेंट या डिस्टेंस वाला, तो क्या होता है, यू टी प्लस हाफ जी टी स्क्वायर. जी हमेशा पॉजिटिव, क्यों? क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, तो एस निकालना है. यू क्या है, 0, 0 इंटू एनीथिंग 0 प्लस हाफ. जी कितना है, 10. टाइम कितना है, इतना, हाफ 0.5 मीन्स हाफ टी स्क्वायर. अब इसे कैलकुलेट कर लो, ये कितना हुआ, 5. तो 5 इंटू 1/4, ये 1/4 हो गया. दैट इज योर 5/4 इज योर 1.25, 1.25 इतना मीटर, 1.25 मीटर. ये कितना क्या हाइट था जहाँ से कार फॉल की, that is your 1.25 meter. This is the way how you are going to solve it. Another important question, just see it. An object is thrown vertically upward and rises to a height of 10 meter. Calculate velocity with which the object was thrown upward and the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ से अर्थ का सरफेस है, यहाँ से ऑब्जेक्ट को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ऊपर फेंक रहे हैं. Object is moving. At the highest point, its speed becomes 0, and then it falls back. So initial velocity having and final at the highest point becomes 0, right? So you have to find the what velocity with which the object was thrown. U निकालना है. How to find the U? The same formula, or you have to V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अब हम लोग के हाथ में ये दूसरा फॉर्मूला भी था. कौन सा फॉर्मूला? V इज इक्वल U प्लस जी टी, या यहाँ पर भी G लिख देंगे. अब ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ नहीं किया क्योंकि यहाँ टाइम का कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं है. टाइम हमको नहीं मालूम है, इसीलिए हम लोग ये वाला यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज थ्रोन अपवर्ड, तो G क्या हो जाएगा? G ऑलवेज वी आर गोइंग टेक द नेगेटिव. सो एवरीवेयर यू विल फाइंड द G नेगेटिव. तो यही वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो V 0 हो गया, 0. U कितना है? U इज गिवन, U यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, U स्क्वायर 2. G कितना? 10. 9 पॉइंट अगर 10 दिया हुआ है तो यू कैन टेक द 10, और G यू हैव टू टेक G 9 पॉइंट होता क्या कितना है? G इज इक्वल टू 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. But for the simplifying the calculation, you can take the 10 meter per second square, but you have to mention it. So I have taken here G is equal to 10 into S. S कितना है? Your height 10 meter. So now you calculate. U is equal to U स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 196. तो U इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 196. यहाँ पर 9.8 लेके चल रहे हैं, 9.8. इफ नॉट गिवन, टेक द G इज इक्वल टू 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. लाइक इन केस ऑफ द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, in that question it is given G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Here not given means G you have to take 9.8. So 9.8 you have to take, right? So this is 196 meter per second. That is the initial speed that is also required. Number one, first part. Second part, this is the first part of the question. Second part, what you have to do it? Time taken by the object to reach the highest point. अब हमको यहाँ पर टाइम निकालना है. As we require the time, so we are going to use what? We are going to use the V is equal to U plus AT. Here we have to take the plus or minus AT. Minus in place of A, GT as we have discussed. So यहाँ पर इस formula से, that from this formula you have to find out here V is 0, so U minus GT. So T is equal to U by G. T is equal to U by G. So ultimately what should be the value? T is equal to U कितना आया था? 14, and G is 9.8. If you are going to divide it, 14 by 9.8, 140 by 98. That comes out to be 1.43 second. That should be the time. Need not to write anything, any language. Only thing is that you have to solve with the formula and the correct calculation, right? So similarly, all the in text and the text question, you have to do it for any kind of test. Okay, only concept you have to remember, that is the physics. Okay, thank you.